As indicated by our genuinely current Algorand cost expectation, the worth of Algorand will expanded by 215.66%, coming to 79 cents by end of 2025, which really is very critical. All specialized markers certainly demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is nonpartisan, while the apprehension and avarice file truly is perusing 17.60, and that implies intense trepidation in spite of mainstream thinking. Our Algorand estimate, it's especially hold Algorand at this moment. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while especially different pointers flagged negative signs, demonstrating an overall impartial feeling among Algorand cost expectations, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. See the truly careful Algorand cost expectation beneath. You will know how truly much Algorand essentially is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Throughout recent days, Algorand has sort of diminished by 18.96% in opposition to prevalent thinking. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of in every way that really matters, slight recuperation in the approaching month. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Algorand expanded by 110.23% and came to approach around 47 cents. Presently, all markers are demonstrating impartial zone, and the trepidation and veracity list shows 17.60 intense apprehensions. As per our conjecture, this isn't the ideal opportunity to hold Algorand. At present, Algorand is exchanging underneath the 200 basic moving normal, or so they sort of thought. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA basically has shown an Algorand holding signal. The cost of Algorand is right now running underneath the 50-day straightforward moving normal, and it shows a sell signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will essentially hit 27 cents toward December's end. By December 2023-2024, Algorand, as transient 50-day SMA basically shows at 24 cents. The general strength record energy oscillator is a famous pointer that signals whether a digital money is oversold or overbought, which essentially is genuinely huge. RSI is at present at RSI value. This shows that the ALGO market for the most part is in an impartial position. Algorand value expectation 2023 in the primary 7-day stretch of January 2023. Algorand came to 26 cents when it dipped under 17 cents interestingly since January 2021, which is very critical. As indicated by the financial backers in market trades, Algorand in a real sense is en route to passing the 49 cents mark before the current year's over, which is genuinely critical. Before 49 cents, it might fundamentally break its characteristic of $3.28 and arrive at in an unobtrusive manner. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Algorand will break its past all-time high of $3.28 and hold somewhere in the range of 45 cents and 49 cents soon. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Algorand is exchanging at 22 cents, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 74.1M. And it makes number 37 money in the extremely entire crypto world. Algorand value forecast 2024. There is plausible that Algorand can get through the 58 cents boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Algorand cost will be between 48 cents to 58 cents. And the most probable Algorand cost will be consistent at around 55 cents toward the finish of 2024. Despite Algorand's exceptionally wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally disagreeable energy use, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Algorand will reach 58 cents toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. In an unobtrusive manner, Algorand value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market investigators and specialists anticipate that ALGO will begin the year at 65 cents and exchange around 79 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per their expectations, this would be very high contrasted with last year, which sort of is genuinely critical. This fundamentally is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Algorand value forecast 2026. There is a decent opportunity that Algorand 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise sort of conceivable that it may not really arrive at its normal genuinely most extreme $1 level. Algorand is anticipated to especially arrive at an untouched high of 93 cents or $1 in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Algorand. Algorand value expectation 2027. Algorand value expectation, or ALGO, will encounter huge development in 2027 as it has the in every practical sense potential to accomplish new highs as far as sticker costs and market cap, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand's cost in a real sense is supposed to outperform $1 in 2027. It has been fundamentally anticipated that Algorand will explicitly arrive at the extremely greatest cost of $1, and for the most part least cost is supposed to be around 85 cents in the following a long time from 2027. In an unpretentious manner, Algorand estimate 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee say that Algorand value expectation and specialized examination, Algorand is supposed to cross a value level of $1.19 in 2028. In the meantime, Algorand is supposed to arrive at least cost of $1.05 this year. The kind of most extreme cost might reach $1.21 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value forecast 2029 by the start of 2029. The Algorand value expectation and specialized examination foresee that the expense of Algorand will sort of reach $1.63, and the cost of a LGO ought to essentially reach $1.63 before the year's over. Furthermore, a LGO can reach up to $1.50 in cost amazingly. From 2024 to 2029 delay will for the most part bring huge years for Algorand development. ALGO value expectation 2030 of every 2030, Algorand value forecasts are supposed to cross the $2.24 pretty normal cost level, as indicated by Algorand figure and specialized investigation. Toward the finish of 2030, Algorand's by and large least cost is supposed to be $2.16 incredibly. Moreover, ALGO can arrive at a greatest value level of $2.31. Toward the finish of 2030, Algorand will have a sort of typical cost of $2.31. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Algorand value expectation 2031 Algorand cost is assessed to especially reach $3.05 by 2031 at extremely least, with a by and large normal exchanging cost of $3.18 all through 2031. Algorand's worth could come to $3.19 at its most certainly the most noteworthy. The experts anticipate that the greatest cost should generally be exchanging around $3.18. Algorand conjecture 2032 of every 2032. Algorand will attempt to arrive at the barely the most minimal degree of $4.16. It might attempt to get the most extreme and next top level of $4.30 with the typical conjecture cost of $4.28. It might break the past high and go ahead to its next level, which generally is genuinely critical. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, we truly foresee it will arrive at its essentially next level. In any case, it might by and large dump too. What will be the most minimal cost of Algorand in future? Up to 49 cents USD. What will be the greatest cost of Algorand in future? Which is genuinely huge. Up to $4.30 USD will Algorand cost expansion in future. Indeed, Algorand cost will build as per our anticipated information in future. Interest in Algorand generally is beneficial or misfortune making. Indeed, Algorand generally is beneficial speculation in light of our estimating whether the cost of Algorand will be descending in future in opposition to prevalent thinking. No, Algorand cost won't be descending in view of our assessed forecast. In 1 year from now, what will one Algorand be worth? The cost of one Algorand can generally for the most part be up to 49 cents USD in 1 year's time, a 2x quite from the kind of current ALGO cost. Where do